Did you know that Rigel, a blue supergiant star, is over 800 times larger than our Sun? Imagine what that means for our solar system. In this video, you'll explore the fascinating characteristics of Rigel and how it compares to our own solar system, setting the stage for a cosmic showdown. When we think about massive stars like Rigel, it's hard to wrap our heads around their immense scale and impact on their surroundings. I mean, we're talking about a star that's around 78 times bigger than our Sun, with a mass at least 21 times greater. That's a huge difference, and it's no surprise that it has a profound effect on the space around it. The sheer energy output of Rigel would be catastrophic for any planet that dared to venture too close. But how do we even begin to understand the implications of a star this massive? It's not like we can simply observe it from a safe distance and take notes. No, we need to use complex models and simulations to get a grip on the kind of forces at play here. And even then, it's still a challenge to visualize the kinds of effects Rigel would have on the surrounding space. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of Rigel's presence is the way it would warp the fabric of space-time around it. The gravitational pull of this massive star would be so strong that it would create a kind of cosmic whirlpool, drawing in nearby stars and planets like moths to a flame. It's a truly awe-inspiring thought, and one that really puts our own solar system into perspective. But despite the incredible scale of Rigel, it's still just a star with its own unique properties and life cycle. And that's what we're going to explore next. Rigel is a blue supergiant, which means it's already reached the end of its main sequence life. It's currently fusing helium into heavier elements in its core, and it's only a matter of time before it explodes as a supernova. In contrast, our Sun is still happily chugging along, fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. It's a very different story, and one that highlights just how unique Rigel is in the grand scheme of the universe. Shining brightly in the night sky, Rigel is a beacon of light that's visible from hundreds of light years away. Its surface temperature is a scorching 12,000 degrees Celsius, which is why it appears blue to our eyes. Compare that to our Sun's surface temperature of around 5,500 degrees Celsius, and you can see just how different these two stars are. And then, of course, there's the solar system dynamics. Rigel's incredible mass means it would have a hugely destabilizing effect on the orbits of nearby planets. But what if we were to take Rigel and place it in our own solar system? What would happen then? Well, let's take a look. Visuals can be incredibly powerful in helping us understand complex concepts, and this is one scenario that really brings home the sheer scale of Rigel. If Rigel were placed at the center of our solar system, its massive size would engulf the inner planets, including Mercury and Venus. The orbits of the outer planets would be hugely disrupted, and the entire system would be thrown into chaos. It's a sobering thought, and one that really drives home the consequences of having a star like Rigel in our backyard. The comparisons between Rigel and our Sun are striking, and they really highlight the awe-inspiring nature of these massive stars. They're truly giant beings, with the power to shape the very fabric of space-time around them. So, what do you think about the cosmic implications of Rigel? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in more space-related content, be sure to check out my other videos for more cosmic insights.